Hey everybody, it is Sunday, October 6th. We're right around noontime. It's 55 degrees. And this is kind of the time of year when I start putting things into the underground greenhouse to prevent any sort of freezing or whatever the plants. A lot of times I'll repot them so they can continue to grow a little bit longer. And in the greenhouse, obviously, they're protected from the elements. So this week I'll be moving a lot of the plants down in the greenhouse. Let's go check it out. So like I said, it is 55 degrees outside. Inside you can see that it's over 90 degrees. So it's a lot warmer in here than it is out there, that's for sure. So a lot of the citrus trees will actually look a lot better this time of the year than they do throughout the middle of summer. All right, there's my sickly little peach tree. You've got the orange tree here, it's looking super healthy. And grapefruit tree. The other peach tree that I need to get out of here. I don't know if I'll make it this year, but I definitely need to trim that down. And then here you have the other orange tree hidden behind, the lemon tree, and of course our crooked little lime tree. And here's our lime. Looks like it's still growing. And I've already brought 2 plants in and 2 trees. And then I brought this old swimming pool in here as well. I'm gonna put a bunch of plants in there. I like to put them in buckets like you see here. So when we get water in here, it will kind of hold it instead of soaking down into the ground. So today in the greenhouse, it's just gonna be a basic kind of clean up, get ready for winter. I get weeds growing down in here, so I'm gonna pull some weeds and just get this area prepped and ready for winter time to come. So I've got my little bucket of weeds here. I'll clean up those leaves there as well. So my next job is to trim this giant peach tree that is overgrown. Well, that's it for the peach tree. Hopefully I didn't scalp it too badly, but it's getting so hot here I'm starting to sweat, so I'm doing a couple things outside. Over here in the raspberry bushes, kind of near the greenhouse, if you look closely, you'll notice all this freshly dug up soil. That is moles, and they have caused me so many problems since I've moved here, so I've got to figure out some way to take care of those guys before they become a big problem. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is load all of these ivy and other bushes into the wheelbarrow over there and get them into the greenhouse. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring all my plants from outside in, and I'm gonna try to put them in the swimming pool right here. At least I hope to get all the ivy in there. Okay, so now I've got all the ivy put in here, plus a few other little plants. This is some ground cover I bought this year, never got around to planting it, so I'll probably repot these into bigger pots so it can continue to grow through the winter. But for now, I'm just gonna put it in here. And I'll water these in a few seconds here to make sure there's plenty of moisture in it. Well, the last thing we're gonna do before we bring this video to a close is check on the sunflower and see if there's actually sunflower seeds in here. Pretty much everything else in the garden is dead thanks to the cold. Okay, I'm out here with Demery. This is her sunflower. If you remember from a previous video, this sunflower actually blew over in a windstorm, so we've had to tie it up. And we thought for sure it would be dead at that point, that we would not get any sunflower seeds out of it. So we're gonna do a little quick close-up for you, and we're gonna pull out a seed and see if there's anything edible. So here's the sunflower right here. We're going to pull out one of these seeds here. There's one right here. See that? Got a sunflower right there. So we can crack it open and see if we can eat it. Should we? Should we see if we can eat it? Okay. You think there'll be a sunflower in there? A seed that you can eat? Look. Show it to the camera. Yep, see that little seed right there? You can eat it.
No.
Yeah, look, watch. Tastes yum yum. You want to try one real quick? Okay, here we go. Let's pull out another one. Here we go. This one looks easy right here. Oh, there's a huge one up there. Okay, here we go. Okay. Damien's gonna try this one right here. You ready? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is, look. A sunflower seed for Demry. You ready? Does it taste good?
Mm-hmm.
Surprisingly good, huh? The sunflower has a bunch of this stuff here. We're gonna knock all that stuff off. You can get to the seeds easier, huh?
We can get all those seeds out, huh?
Yep. There's probably an easier way to do this, but I don't know it. Did you drop it?
I don't know if I got one.
Oh boy, that was a huge one I just dropped. Oh, I just dropped another one.
This one's a loose one.
Because it's kind of cold out here, we're actually gonna cut the head off this thing and we're gonna take it inside the house and do this in the house.
Because they're all ready.
Here we go, look at this close up.
This is all of them.
Let's go check in the
I'm
house.
picking them out already. Bring a jacket if you're out here with short sleeves, because it's really cold.
Well guys, that's pretty much it for today. That's part of having an underground greenhouse. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.